Is Denmark, is it your dream destination? Here are the top 5 most beautiful places you must visit. Number 1. Nyhavn, Copenhagen. Colorful houses, cozy cafes, and unforgettable vibes. Number 2. Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest amusement parks. Magic everywhere. Number 3. Kronborg Castle, home of Shakespeare's Hamlet. A castle full of history. Number 4. Mons Klint, white chalk cliffs and breathtaking nature. A hidden gem. Number 5. Aarhus Old Town. Step back in time in Denmark's living history museum. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments.